Let's take a look at the DELUX M800 Pro Gaming Mouse. Let's get started. Here is the model of my gaming mouse. Let's start by downloading the software from their website. Here, you change the language. Click here to download it. Here is the model. Device driver. Extract version 2. Next. 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 Install. Finish. The software has now been installed completely. Let's change the RGB light on our mouse next. Let's try everything. Next, let's change the color of the top. Now my mouse and keyboard match perfectly. Thank you for watching.